All right, I'm about to make the detailed video about the Asian lady beetle bugs that I was having a problem with. Okay, first of all, I thought they were actual ladybugs, and I was having a conversation with some lady, nice lady, that told me they were the Asian lady beetle bugs, and I had no idea about them. So she told me about using the white vinegar. White vinegar. Picked up me a cheap bottle, and I was listening to what she said, but I started out because doing research, you find out that these Asian beetle ladybugs have a smell that they carry, and I was smelling in this one room. The smell was real musty. And at first, when I moved in here, I wasn't smelling that. But I was noticing those bugs that I thought were ladybugs was the Asian lady beetle bugs. So I started out with using ammonia because I've had very success from using ammonia on different things when it comes to house cleaning and things of that nature. So this is the bottle, empty fragrance bottle that I've been using, and it's been working very well because it hasn't been giving me any problems with spraying, because as we know, some bottles can give you problems. So I first started out with the ammonia. I would put ammonia in this bottle, and then I would go ahead and dilute it down some, not much, just enough. So it didn't have to be just straight ammonia. So, and this bottle, I basically used this whole bottle because I started out probably just a small amount that was gone out of the bottle. Then I started getting to the point where I was like, okay, let me come in with this vinegar because she told me to spray the window sills. So what I did is I did the same thing. I would alternate between this bottle and use it up, whatever amount. Like you see that amount, sometimes I would use that amount, lower it down to the bottom, and then I would go ahead and spray this all the way out. Or if I had something else that I needed to use the ammonia for, or white vinegar, I would empty it out because I was ready to alternate. So I was alternating between the ammonia and the white vinegar. So at first I was trying to get rid of the smell with the ammonia. So what I did was, I've been doing this for some days. I've at least been doing it for a week. I'll come in and I'll spray the room down with the ammonia, spray the window sills down with the white vinegar, and I would alternate. And I would just spray the whole room, spray the walls, spray the doors. I sprayed the doors down. I got to the point where I was like, okay, it's not going to hurt anything. I'm just going to spray it down. And sometimes a couple of times I turned the fan on. Another thing I did was I got the baking soda. I forgot to put that in the short. I got the baking soda and I put that in there to put this in the room to help air the room out. So I was using that also. And then I also put the white vinegar over the vent in a little container that I've been using just for the moisture in the rooms. But I went on and put the white vinegar in there, and I've done it at least twice. So you do some research, but for the most part, I kind of winged it. Now, like I said, I was told about the white vinegar firsthand. But like I said, and the vinegar, as you can see, that's, let me see if I can get a spot. Well, it's a little bit under It's not even half. It's not even half. So anyway, I've been spraying, like I said, throughout the day and at nighttime. And I mean, I at least spray. Sometimes I can spray the room, especially with the ammonia. I can spray it and then come back immediately, maybe 30 minutes later, and I spray it again. Now, I didn't do this all the time that close. Like if I'm about to leave, I would go ahead and spray down with the ammonia, and then I would leave. And so when I might be gone, I would be gone for some hours. Then I come back and it crosses my mind, oh, go check the room. And eventually that smell was leaving. And so I'm going to keep on doing this with both of these, the ammonia and the vinegar. And like I said, that bottle, empty fragrance bottle, worked very well, because you can get some bottles that give you problems where it starts to get to the point where the spray bottle doesn't work good. So this one worked very well, and it was a constant spraying without it giving me problems. And that was the motivation for me to keep on. So as far as I know, the Asian lady beetle bugs were, I'm going to say it was every bit of 5 to 10 plus that were coming in every single day. They were on the window sills. They would end up being on the floor. I would come and sweep them up. Say if I was leaving, I come and sweep them up before I left. By the time I get back, it's some already coming back in. That's how constant they were coming in. And they were on the blinds. They would be on the blinds. They would be still alive. Then some of them would have done died. And like I said, they can hide. So you have to kind of go in and under around places to find them. But the smell has been clearing up. And as far as right now, at this very moment, I've been coming in here for at least a couple of days. The smell was gone, and I can tell the difference. And another thing, especially since I've been having warm weather in this area, I would have the windows up all throughout the day. But I don't see the lady beetle bugs, Asian lady beetle bugs at the windowsill anymore like they were. I mean, they were constantly coming in. Even when I raised the window up, there would be some in the windowsill that were alive. So it was just constant. But that's what I've done. And so far, and I'm going to keep on doing this, and I'm going to keep a watch throughout the summer, spring and summer, and see what happens. But as far as I know, the lady told me that the vinegar, the white vinegar, would be the solution. And so, but I've been using baking soda for the smell, using the ammonia for the smell also, and I was using the white vinegar for the actual Asian lady beetle bugs. So I just wanted to throw that out there. And like I said, I'll do some updates to see how it goes. All right.